Finding CNC machining supplier in China. China is a global manufacturing leader and has upgraded CNC machining technology over time. There are several CNC machining workshops in China. They don't only operate locally but also serving global machining needs. There are some tips to choosing a right CNC machining supplier. You must visit the manufacturer personally if possible. If you want to directly contact the actual workshop owner, then it is advisable to visit the workshop personally before closing any deal. You must insist the supplier for a visit in advance, as a necessary condition to acquire their services. Beware to bite the bait of a middleman from some trading company acting as the actual owner. Choose the one who offers customer testimonials. While choosing a machining supplier, just remember, choose the one who offers customers testimonials and consent to contact them for verification. Remember, general recommendations without customer info are useless. You must negotiate the payment terms. While deciding payment terms, you must insist on paying 30% as a down payment, and the remaining 70% upon inspection. Generally, the payment terms in China are 50% down and 50% money before delivery. You must check for suitable location of the workshop. Just ensure the location of workshop is nearer to the seaport. It'll save you land transportation cost. If you require services of another workshop, then find the new one in the same region as the other. In this way, you can combine the shipments and save freight and import costs. You should ask for samples. You must check samples to confirm whether your supplier can provide the required quality and or not. Generally, workshops offer free sample to build trusted working relationships. But if they ask a lot of money just for samples, then alert yourself of trading company. Choose the one with the best customer service and support. Prefer that supplier who offers the best customer service and support, as all the communication will be digital, and you do not want to face a situation where you require immediate responses, but get no answers for hours. You must mention delivery time. While closing the deal, don't forget to mention your expected delivery time. Delivery time will be decided per your order quantity, availability of raw material, etc. Generally, if raw material is available, then delivery time for samples will be 10 to 15 days, and about 20 to 25 days for the mass production. You must check all the important documents. While finalizing the supplier, remember to ask about workshop-related credentials. These documents include workshop's license, company registration number, ISO and IATF certificates, etc. You must ask for a third-party inspection before shipment. Before shipping, you should insist on quality inspection. For that, you can do quality checks by visiting workshop personally, or by hiring an inspection company. Keep in touch with the supplier continuously. Do not throw all the matters into the hands of your supplier. Trust him but not blindly, and you must take all the necessary precautionary measures. You should be in touch with your supplier from time to time to check real progress.